Hi, I'm Ashwini from Rangareddy, Telangana. I'm a 2018 engineering pass out in Information Service branch. I attended many campus interviews and I was not shortlisted in any because I think my preparation was not up to mark. After I passed out from college, my parents were really concerned about my career. This is when my father heard about the Josh scholarship test and he asked me to take it. I took the test and I also enrolled for the course. This is my starting journey with Ethnus Codemithra. To tell you about the course, the trainers were really supportive and I learned Java especially as per the industry needs. The lab assignments, projects and the sessions were really interactive, were online and they inspired us to do better. After I completed the course, I am proud to say that the main part, the placements, went really well. I was placed in the first company interview I attended, that is the NTT data. Everything here was completely online, starting from the Josh test to the placements. I thank everybody at Ethnus Codemithra for helping me out throughout my journey. I advise each and everyone to not miss an opportunity to join Ethnus Codemithra. Thank you.